Welcome to Cityview. This is elevated living just a block off the Commons. We are here today to see apartment PHN. This is a 6-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment located on the top floor of the building. Let's go on inside. On your left as you enter is your kitchen with your dishwasher, microwave, electric oven and range, and refrigerator. You'll have a nice large hall closet. In the dining area, you'll have a dining room table and 4 dining chairs. In the living room, you'll have 4 more pieces of furniture, an easy chair, a sofa, a coffee table, and an end table. One unique feature of this floor is the nice high ceilings and tall windows that let in lots of natural light in this north-facing apartment. On into bedroom 1, you'll have 5 pieces of furniture, dresser, a full-size bed, a bookshelf, and a desk and desk chair. And each room will have plenty of closet space. Another unique feature is in-unit laundry. Another feature again, intercom system, so you can buzz your friends in. This is the first floor bathroom, a nice large bathroom with a full shower and tub combo, a linen closet, and a vanity with medicine cabinet. Now let's go upstairs. Once upstairs, let's take a look at the remaining 5 bedrooms. On into bedroom 2, you'll notice the same 5 pieces of furniture and closet space in this north-facing bedroom. Down the hall on your left is bedroom number 3. Again, facing north. You'll also notice that each bedroom is air conditioned and has a heating element. On to bedroom 4. This is a corner bedroom facing both north and east. Bedroom number 5, which also faces east, has a nice large closet. Finishing in the final bedroom, bedroom number 6, this bedroom actually has 2 closets and also faces east. There's even an intercom system up here too, so you don't have to go downstairs to let somebody in. Finishing in the bathroom, a vanity with medicine cabinet, some built-in shelving, and a large shower and tub combo. Rent here in Cityview includes heat, hot water, trash, and recycling. You're responsible for the electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour today of apartment PHN. Call us today for availability.